Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you want to do a factory reset on a Samsung Galaxy A12. Keeping in mind, if you do this, everything will be deleted off the phone, all your apps, all your settings, all your contacts, all your photos, etc. And it will be like a brand new phone that just came out of the box. If you're okay with that, we can proceed. It's very easy. All you're going to do is when your phone is off, you're going to press and hold the power and the volume up button and just continue to hold them simultaneously until the phone vibrates as it's turning on, and it will turn on into this recovery mode where you can use the up and down volume to toggle through this menu. And we're going to toggle down to wipe data factory reset, and we're going to hit the power button to select it. Once we select it using the power button, it will take us to this confirmation page where it says wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. And if you toggle to factory data reset, once you hit that power button, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted off the phone and it will be turned into a brand new phone. If you're okay with that, hit the power button. It'll take a few minutes for it to run through the wiping and restarting thing, at which point you can reboot it and it will turn on like it did when it first came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.